you from? What is your background? How did you end up going back to China?
Okay. Thanks everyone, and thanks for your interest and your energy and your time devoted to learning about China. I think that's, of course, the most important first step. I want to just, I'm sure BELA welcome you all to come visit us in Shanghai. Hope to see you all in Shanghai sometimes. But so my own background is basically I'm Chinese American, born in the U.S. In Michigan, and my family is originally from Guangdong South, and so I grew up with a Chinese cultural heritage, not Mandarin language background. But I grew up in the U.S. and studied in the U.S. University, and then what I think is instrumental to my... Are you getting a lot of feedback up here?
No, do you? No.
No, I'm just sharing myself a little bit, but that's okay. Let me put on
if you just can talk a little slower, because it keeps disconnecting a little bit in between, so we'll understand it better. Please.
Okay. What I think is instrumental to my career and starting Qifang, looking back at my work, I like to say that it kind of makes sense now looking back. We have time, it didn't take us